Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to solve the second question of weekly contest 499, that is minimum operations to make array non-decreasing. So the question says that you are given an integer array nums of length n. In one operation you may choose any subarray from L to R, nums L to R, and increase each element in that subarray by x, where x is any positive integer, and return the minimum possible sum of the values of x across all operations required to make the array non-decreasing. An array is non-decreasing if nums of I is less than equal to nums of I plus 1 for all I less than I minus n minus 1 greater than equal to 0. A subarray is contiguous non-empty sequence of elements which within the array. Okay. So the question is simple, that we are given an integer array nums and we have to select any subarray from this nums and apply some operations. What are the operation? Operation is adding some value x, any value x, to the sequence of the number, and how many number of times we are applying this value x, adding x, we are accumulating that value inside a variable, and that variable I have to return. That means question says that return the minimum possible sum value, and that sum should be minimum. So we have to just reach the number, not need to be increased. So we have to make it not decreasing but greedily. How can we can do that? We can just make the next number to the equal to the previous number, not need to make it greater, so that we can just make the sum minimum. So take the first example, 3 3 2 1 1. Okay, 3 3 2 1. So 3 and 3 are non-decreasing, okay, because that nums of I is equal to nums of I plus 1, so equal condition is also there, and the next 3 and 2 are not following this condition, so that we have to increment this 2, so the minimum possible value is add 1. So 2 plus 1 would be 3, then it becomes non-decreasing. After that, what would be the next number? 1. So what should be added? So 1 is added from this 2 and 1, and the number 2 become 3, number 1 become 2, and after that number 2 become 3, only adding by 1. So we have to add 1 from this left to right once, and the another one from this only 1. Okay, got it? In the second example, we have given 5 1 2 3. So we will add 4 in this one, then only we can reach the 5. So by adding 4, we will add 4 all of the numbers, all the other numbers in this range 1 2 3, and adding just 1 4, the number will become the whole array become non-decreasing, which is increasing order. So the output is 4. So the idea is very simple to check what number is added. The number is added is the difference between the previous and next number, and that number would be accumulated inside the answer. So we will take answer equal to 0 and initialize a for loop for I in range from 1 to len of nums, and we have to we have to check if nums of I minus 1 is greater than nums of I, then I will increment answer plus equal to nums of how much it is greater than, that is the answer, plus equal to n minus 1 minus nums of I. So that is the difference between two consecutive numbers that would be added inside the answer, and after that increment we will just return answer. Let's check that. Okay, it is accepted. Try to submit this. So now we have solved the second question of the today's weekly contest of LeetCode. So I hope you understand that. And this is a big of an approach that is working on a linear time. No any extra space has been used. So it is most optimal and simple approach. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.